what I want your listeners to start thinking as they're moving forward, if they've recently been laid off or terminated, or they will be in the future because it's inevitable. Death, taxes, layoffs has become my new theme song, and and sitting back is, how do you learn from this situation, but how do you not take it as personal? What are you doing right now to prepare yourself for that emotional landslide? Like, do you? And here's what I found after my first termination, go into my next company. I'm working with them, but I'm now working a little bit more strategic and a little bit smarter. And I'm also becoming much more authentic Loran. Like, even in the interview, I was like, I'm going to swear. You don't like it? I'm not the fucking person you should hire. And I'm going to challenge you. I became very comfortable in my skin. I never want to be caught off guard like this. If you fire me and you say, "Oh, it's because you were disruptive," what the fuck did you think you were getting?